Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard video animation in Canva. So let's get started. So here we are in Canva, and from here what we're going to do is click on create a design. And from here you want to choose the size that you want. In my case, I just want presentation, so I'm going to click on presentation, but you can go for other portrait size if you'd want that. And then from here, I'm going to go choose for a black background because I want black background with a white text. So I'm going to go press T on my keyboard to add text right here, and I'm gonna go for my text. So let's say that hi, this is my whiteboard video animation tutorial. I hope you'll like it. Maybe something like this, and I'm gonna want to change the font to something more bold maybe. So I'm just gonna go and change all of it, and then from here I'm just gonna go increase it right here just like so that you could see it better right here, and I'm gonna go put it in the center. So once it's done, you want to go into elements next, and then from here we're gonna go for chalk in hand. And remember that you can have other options like maybe pencil in hand or whatsoever depending on your preference, but in my case I'll just use chalk in hand right here. And then from here I have this hand, so I'll be using this to animate the text right here. But first things first is that once you have this, is that you want to go into your text first and click on animate, and then you can choose the animation that you want for your text. You can go for burst just like this one, or you could go for typewriter, so which is this one right here. But in my case, I'll just go for typewriter. Click on that. Alright, so now that you are done with the animation of your text, now let's go with the hand, and from here we're gonna go right click and go to layer, bring it to front, and then from here I'm gonna go increase the size, and I'm gonna place it here at the beginning of my text right there. And then from here we're gonna go click on animate on the hand, and we're gonna go for create custom animation right here. Click on this one, and then from here we're just gonna be simply dragging this just like we're writing it right here. So it would now be like this, and as you can see it is kind of too fast, so I'm gonna go a bit slower right here, and I'm gonna go right here. And now right here, I'm just experimenting with the paths that I make because this might take some experimentations on your part so that you would have it on sync with the text. Now we can just adjust the speed of that one. So I'm just gonna go here into the animation of that, and then I'm gonna go decrease the speed of the text right here so that it would match, and I think that is pretty good. So yeah, you can just polish it more if you would want to. Then you would have to do it again with the path until you get the result that you'd like. But yeah, since I'm just showing you a tutorial, I think this is pretty good enough. So let's play it again. We can go for smooth, by the way, but as you can see it is lagging behind when we go for smooth, so I'll just recommend going to original. And yeah, you can polish it more when it comes to here, but what you can do is that you can just leave a one stanza, like you don't have this one right here, so that it would be much smoother. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.